Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've created this video to show you how to lock your files with a password without hiding them using the add to archive method. First, have to create a new file or go to the folder you want to protect. Now, right click on the file and choose add to archive. In the new window that opens, click on set password. Enter your password and confirm it again. Make sure you use a strong password that you can remember. Click OK, then click OK again to create the archive file. Your file is now locked inside the compressed archive. Anyone who tries to open it will be asked for a password. This method does not hide your file, but it keeps it secure from unauthorized access. It is simple and works on Windows computers. Do not forget your password, because without it, you cannot open the file again. And that's how you can lock your files with a password using the add to archive method. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.